Hello dear students. Today in this video we will solve another model test paper of English for term 1 for class 10th. Let's get started. Section A, reading skill. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. Tortoises are reptile species of the family Testudinidae. They are particularly distinguished from other turtles by being exclusively land-dwelling, while many other turtle species are at least partly aquatic. Like other turtles, tortoises have a shell to protect from predation and other threats. The shell in tortoises is generally hard. They retract their necks and heads directly backwards into the shell to protect them. Tortoises can vary in size, with some species such as the Galapagos, a giant tortoise, growing to more than 1.2 meter in length, whereas others like the speckled Cape tortoise have shells that measure only 6 to 8 centimeter long. Several lineages of tortoises have independently evolved very large body sizes in excess of 100 kg. Tortoises are the longest living land animals in the world. Galapagos tortoises are noted to live over 150 years, but an Aldabra giant tortoise named Advaita may have lived an estimated 255 years. In general, most tortoise species can live 80 to 150 years. Tortoises are placid and very slow moving, with an average walking speed of 0.2 to 0.5 km per hour. Communication in tortoises is different from many other reptiles. Because they are restricted by their shell and short limbs, visual communication is not a strong form of communication in tortoises. Tortoises are generally considered to be strict herbivores, feeding on grass, weeds, leafy greens, flowers, and some fruits. So coming to question 1, tortoises belong to the dash family of reptile species. Option A, Testudinidae. Option B, Testudinidae. Option C, Testudinidae. Option D, Testidae. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2. Which of the following statements is false? Option A, tortoises dwell on land. Option B, tortoises are partly aquatic. Option C, tortoises have a shell to protect them. Option D, tortoises vary in size. The right answer is option B, tortoises are partly aquatic. Question number 3. What was the name of the tortoise that may have lived 255 years? Option A, Advaita. Option B, Galapagos. Option C, Aldabra. Or option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, Advaita. Question number 4. What is the average walking speed of a tortoise? Option A, 0.2 to 0.6 km an hour. Option B, 0.3 to 0.5 km an hour. Option C, 0.2 to 0.5 km an hour. Or is it D, 0.6 to 0.8 km an hour? The right answer is option C, 0.2 to 0.5 km an hour. Question number 5. Tortoises are generally dash. Option A, omnivorous. Option B, herbivorous. Option C, carnivorous. Or D, none of the above. The right answer is option B, herbivorous. Section B, literature and poetry. Choose the correct option for the following questions. Question number 6. The eyes of the statue of the Happy Prince were made of dash. From chapter The Happy Prince? Option A, ruby, B, stones, C, sapphires, or D, diamonds. The correct answer is option C, sapphires. His eyes were made of sapphires. Question number 7. Where was the swallow going? From chapter The Happy Prince. Option A, London. Option B, India. Option C, Paris. Or is it D, Egypt? The correct answer is option D, Egypt. The swallow was going to Egypt. Question number 8. Name 2 non-material things from chapter Where is Science Taking Us? Option A, charity and money. B, love and pounds. C, justice, money. Or C, D, understanding, dollars. The correct answer is justice, mercy. C option. Question number 9. How can weak personalities become strong? From chapter Where is Science Taking Us? From chapter Secret of Happiness. Option A, by working hard. Option B, by using their unused power. C, by changing their course of study. Or is it D, by changing the city they live in? The correct answer is option B, by using their unused power. Question number 10. How many times did Della count her saved amount? From chapter A Gift for Christmas. Option A, 2 times. B, 3 times. C, 4 times. Or is it D, 5 times? She counted her money 3 times, so option B is the right answer. Question number 11. How did Della manage to buy the gift from chapter A Gift for Christmas? Option A, by selling her hair. Option B, by selling her old jacket. Option C, both A and B. Or is it D, none of the above? The correct answer is option A, by selling her hair. Coming to part B, supplementary reader. Question number 12. Where was Naeem when the author regained his eyesight? From chapter Bed number 29. Option A, he was in the hospital. B, he was at his home. C, he had left the hospital. Or is it D, he was with the doctor? The correct answer is option C, he had left the hospital. Question number 13. Who urged the author to paint again? From chapter Bed number 29. Option A, doctor. B, nurse. C, Naeem. Or is it D, no one? The correct answer is option C, Naeem. Question number 14. How much money did the poor man have? From chapter Half a Rupee Worth. Option A, 8 annas. Option B, 1 rupee. Option C, 2 annas. Or is it D, 4 annas? The correct answer is option A, 8 annas. Question number 15. How did Subhaya die? From chapter Half a Rupee Worth. Option A, the bags of wheat fell on him. Option B, the bags of maize fell on him. Option C, the bags of rice fell on him. Or is it D, the bags of bajra fell on him? The right answer is option C, the bags of rice fell on him because he was a rice merchant. Question number 16. How much money did the blind man have in his account? From chapter $1,000. Option A, $1,000. Option B, $10. Option C, $7,185. Or is it D, $1,785? The correct answer is $1,785. Coming to poetry section, read the stanza below and answer the questions that follow. Nor wise who never understood how deepest wounds are given with praise, nor rules of state but rules of good, who God doth late and early pray. Question number 17. What is the name of the poem and the poet? Option A, Character of a Happy Man by Sir Henry Wotton. Option B, Death the Leveler by James Shirley. C, A Ballad of Sir Pratap Singh by Sir Henry Newbolt. Or D, none of these. The right option is option A, Character of a Happy Man, composed by Sir Henry Wotton. Question number 18. The happy man obeys the rules of dash. Option A, traffic. B, king. C, government. Or is it D, goodness? The right answer is option D, goodness. Choose the appropriate answers for the given questions. Question number 19. Death reduces everyone to option A, flower. B, shadow. C, dust. Or is it D, garland? The correct answer is option C, dust. Next, 20th question. The Maharaja believed in the dash from poem A Ballad of Sir Pratap Singh. Option A, Brotherhood of Soldiers. Option B, casteism. Option C, social differences. Or is it D, none of the above? The right answer is option A, Brotherhood of Soldiers. Coming to section C, that is vocabulary part. Choose the most appropriate one word for a list of names of books. Option A, calligraphy. Option B, agenda. Option C, catalog. Or is it D, affidavit? The right answer is option C, catalog. Question number 22. Select the correct sentence from the following. Option A, my son does not listen what I say. Option B, my son does not listen on what I say. Option C, my son does not listen to what I say. Or is it D, my son does not listen at what I say? The correct answer is option C, my son does not listen to what I say. Question number 23. Pick out the appropriate proverb out of the following, which means appearances generally deceive people. Option A, charity begins at home. Option B, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Option C, barking dogs seldom bite. Or is it D, all that glitters is not gold? The correct answer is option D, all that glitters is not gold. Coming to section D, choose the correct translated sentences from the following. Question number 24. This is the age of the machine. Option A, यह मशीन दा युग है, यह मशीन का युग है. B, यह मशीन दा युग नहीं है, यह मशीन का युग नहीं है. ऑप्शन C, ओह मशीन दा युग है, वह मशीन का युग है. D, ओह मशीन दा युग नहीं है, वह मशीन का युग नहीं है. The right answer is option A, यह मशीन दा युग है, यह मशीन का युग है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Will you buy my hair? ऑप्शन ए, कि ओह मेरे बाल खरीदेगा, क्या वह मेरे बाल खरीदेगा. ऑप्शन बी, तुसी मेरे बाल खरीदोगे, आप मेरे बाल खरीदेंगे. ऑप्शन सी, कि तुसी मेरे बाल खरीदोगे, क्या आप मेरे बाल खरीदेंगे. और ऑप्शन डी, तुसी मेरे बाल खरीद लो, आप मेरे बाल खरीद लीजिए. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, कि तुसी मेरे बाल खरीदोगे, क्या आप मेरे बाल खरीदेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. असी क्रिकेट खेलते हाँ, हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. ऑप्शन ए, वी आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. ऑप्शन बी, वी प्ले क्रिकेट. ऑप्शन सी, वी प्लेड क्रिकेट. और ऑप्शन डी, वी वर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, वी प्ले क्रिकेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. मैं अपना काम खत्म कर लिया है, मैंने अपना काम समाप्त कर लिया है. ऑप्शन ए, आई हैव फिनिश्ड माई वर्क. ऑप्शन बी, आई फिनिश्ड माई वर्क. ऑप्शन सी, आई एम डूइंग माई वर्क. और ऑप्शन डी, आई एम फिनिशिंग माई वर्क. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, आई हैव फिनिश्ड माई वर्क. Next is answer the following questions by selecting the most appropriate option. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Question number 28. I have dash money to help you. Option A, many. Option B, little. Option C, any. Or option D, either. The correct answer is option B, little. Question number 29. A preposition is an important word used with a dash or a noun equivalent to show its relation with some other word in the sentence. Option A, noun. B, verb. Option C, pronoun. Or D, verb. The correct answer is option A, noun. Question number 30. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. In modern times, books are being published dash very large numbers dash all subjects under the sun. Option A, to, on. Option B, in, on. Option C, off, in. Option D, to, off. The correct answer is option B, in, on. Fill in the blanks by selecting the suitable non-finite verb forms of the words given in the brackets. Question number 31. He was the first dash. In bracket it is arrive. Option A, to arrive. Option B, arriving. Option C, arrives. Or is it D, arrival? The correct answer is option A, to arrive. Question number 32. Dash makes a complete man. In bracket, read. Option A, to read. Option B, reading. Option C, read. Option D, reads. The correct answer is option B, reading. Reading makes a complete man. Question number 33. Choose the correct sentence with the noun clause from the following. Option A, she told us that she had failed. Option B, all that glitters is not gold. Option C, we know where she lives. Option D, she behaves as if she were the queen. Option A, she told us that she had failed is the right answer. Fill in the blanks by selecting the suitable determiner. Question number 34. Chandigarh is dash capital of Punjab. It is dash favorite city. Option A, the, my. Option B, an, our. C, a, their. Option D, one, my. The correct answer is option A, the, my. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. It is my favorite city. Question number 35. India is dash great country. We are proud of dash rich heritage. Option A, an, his. Option B, a, its. Option C, a, his. Option D, and their. The correct answer is option B, a, its. India is a great country. We are proud of its rich heritage. Next, question number 36. Which of the following points will you keep in mind while drafting a notice? Option A, the entire content should be placed within a box. Option B, the purpose of the notice should be cleared. Option C, the language should be impersonal. Or option D, all of the above. Since these 3 points are to be kept in mind while drafting a notice, so option D, all of the above is the right answer. Read the following telephonic conversation. Neha, I'm Neha. May I speak to Kriti, please? Seema, she has gone to the market and won't be back till 9 o'clock. Neha, please tell her that she is invited to my birthday party tomorrow on 15th April at 6 p.m. at my house. Seema, I'll convey the message. Neha, thank you. Seema has to write a message for Kriti. So question number 37. Which of the following dates will she mention? Option A, 14th April. B, 15th April. C, 16th April. Or is it D, 17th April? The correct answer is option B, 15th April. Question number 38. Where is the venue of the birthday party? Option A, Neha's house. Option B, Kriti's house. Option C, Seema's house. Or is it D, none of the above? It is wrongly highlighted. The correct answer is option A, Neha's house. Since this is the birthday of Neha, so she is inviting to her birthday party at her house. Option A is the correct answer. Please correct here. Question number 39. Which of the following is not a feature of an advertisement? Option A. It is a message carried in the media. Option B. It persuades people to buy the product offered. Option C. It does not play an important role in the promotion of business. Or option D. Is it worded artistically? The right answer is option C. It does not play an important role in the promotion of business. Question number 40. You have to draft an advertisement for Universe Academy. Which of the following points will you mention in it? Option A. Innumerable courses. Option B. Affordable course fees. Option C. Qualified staff. Or option D. All of the above. So all these points will be mentioned. So option D. All of the above is the correct answer. So that's all for today. A very good luck to you for your term 1 papers. All the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.